Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and every luxury option you could possibly imagine? Take a look at this 2017 Land Rover Range Rover in ivory white. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 21-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, sports spoiler, rear fog lamp, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, rear seat reading lights, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.0-liter supercharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, please visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3018A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.